Alright everyone, in today's video, I want to bring you another unlocking tutorial. This time we're going to show you how to remove the pattern lock from your Samsung A03 core screen. Okay, in some cases you'll need to connect the USB cable, but you don't need to download any programs, files or anything like that. So try it both with and without the cable, and whichever method works for you, let us know in the comments, alright? So on this screen we're going to press the volume down and the power button together at the same time. When it restarts, release the volume down and press the volume up. Just follow along here. Release the volume down, press the volume up. When the Samsung logo appears on the screen, release the power button but keep holding the volume up button until it enters recovery mode. Okay? Let's wait here. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, I'd like to ask you to subscribe. Also leave a like, which really helps us out. Alright? Let's wait a few more seconds here until it fully enters recovery mode. Some models take a little longer, others a bit less, but this one has already worked. So let's go. On this screen, scroll down to the fifth option where it says wipe data, factory reset, and confirm with the power button. On this next screen, scroll down with the volume down button and confirm with the power button. Let's wait until we reach this next screen so we can continue with the unlocking. Let's wait a little bit longer here. Alright, once you get to this screen, just confirm. At this point, your device is being unlocked, formatted, and restored to its original factory settings. If this video helped you, and if you can, within your means, make a contribution to our channel, our pics will be in the video description. And it doesn't matter how much, what's important is your help, your support, your gratitude. I hope I was able to help you. That was today's video. Thanks. Take care. See you next time.